way?
I don't see him.
Nobody.
At all.
Who can take my place?
Can be me.
Nobody.
At all.
Who got something to say?
Who gon' say it?
Everybody. Who gon' say?
YouTube, Fade Fam, we back with another one. Now this time we got my boy Tim in the chair. If you ain't like the video, go ahead and like the video and subscribe while you at it. But to start off, we gonna go ahead and pick the hair out. And Fade Fam, this is gonna be no C cup on this mid fade, and we gonna start with, go ahead and trace it along. Make sure your lines are also neat and clean, and so your cut can come out neat and clean as well. But we're gonna drop it in the back so it can have that smooth drop effect to it. And here, Fade Fam, we're just simply balding out underneath to, remove that excess hair that we don't need to keep. And now we're debulking with our one guard open for this mid fade. Fade Fam, now we're going in with our lever open, no guard, and then, just take it up with your one guard. Now this, you can take it a bit wider since it's a mid fade, so you have way more room to work with. I'm gonna say a finger's width and a half to, set in this guideline itself. And then, the highest guard we're just gonna use on this cut is the one guard, and then we just fade ourselves on back down, Fade Fam. And now we're coming in with our one guard open. Now we're gonna take this all the way up to his parting region. But for some reason on the first go, I couldn't get it, so I just did it off cam. And now we're coming back in with our one guard halfway closed, and we're gonna just start fading ourselves back on down. Okay, Faye fam, as y'all see, I got stuck right here, but that's mainly because I was just trying to be a perfectionist. But I said, all right, we gotta move on, so I went ahead, bow. Also, as another reminder, like that's another thing, like don't get stuck in one spot on a cut. Like say if you also doing like your own self cut or a cut on someone else, don't get stuck in one spot. Keep moving on. So there is like, just don't stand in one spot. Just keep moving on. So therefore, as you keep going in the process, the fade will come. Just trust yourself and trust the process though. But yeah, just don't stay stuck in one spot, because then you're gonna be looking at everything in just that one spot. And now we're going in with our half guard. Now, I'm coming in fully closed on this one. And then we just open up our lever as we go up. Make sure you're also using the corner while you're taking those strides with the clipper, because it'll make it easier and also let you control how much hair you're taking off of the person's head or yourself. Also, another FYI, do you see how I'm also turning the blade and going along with how his hair grows? That's how you truly want to fade with the hair, when you're trying to, fade against the grain and everything, so you can create that fade effect to it. And now we're coming in no guard, lever closed. And we're just gonna do the same thing how we did with the half guard. Hey fam, y'all know the usual routine with the back of the head. I just 2 times it for you, and just go ahead and let y'all, chill and watch. And now we're back, fam. Now we're gonna go ahead and debulk his hairline with a 1 guard open. And now on the corners, as y'all know, I typically just go with the higher guard, and the next guard I use is just the 1.5 on the corners. Fam, after this, what I normally do is I just take some alcohol and a napkin and just wipe the hairline down. And then I just spray some holding spray on it and just brush everything back down and let it sit and dry for, a couple seconds. Now on the lineup, y'all, just make it, oh my God, I cannot speak. But on the lineup, make it straight, because if it ain't straight, it ain't gonna look great, you feel me? But, go ahead and make it straight as you can. If you're doing it on yourself, it's gonna be a bit harder, I'm gonna be honest. Now, but on another person, it's easier. But now for these corners, they are weaker, but, I just create the imaginary line in my head first. But starting from the middle, that's where you really want to start from, and then work your way over to the side. But make sure you take that step back as well, so you can go ahead and keep going after you check when you take that step back. But like as you keep going though, it's gonna get it's gonna get simpler and simpler to you as you get used to it. But yeah, after you hit the straightaways, just go ahead and hit those tap the vertical bars 1-2 times. Check them, tap them again if need be, and then you're done. Now we're going in with our enhancements, and this time I used Red by Kiss. I used the can this time, darkest brown. And fam, now we're gonna line it up again. Now make sure you spray some more holding spray on the line, so therefore, let it sit for a couple seconds. And then, we're gonna line it up again, but same process with the lineup. And now we're razoring the line. Just, make sure you got your offhand. That's the hand that you're going to use to pull the skin away so it can tighten. And the hand with your razor, you're just going to glide that smoothly across the stretched skin. Fam, this is the before now. I ain't gonna lie, my boy came in looking a little childish. I ain't gonna lie. I think he had probably, I'm gonna say good, it probably was some couple months of hair growth. But as you see, we spinning him around. And as we go around, boy finna get cleaned up as you see right now. And this is the after fam. Now, if you like this haircut, go ahead and comment on what you think the haircut is. If it's fire or is it trash? Let me know down in the comments. And subscribe for your boy for the one time. And we out of here. Peace.
Who in my way? I don't see him. Nobody. At all. Who can take my place? Who can be me? Nobody. At all. Who got something to say? Who gon' say it? Everybody. Who gon' say